Hello everyone, today we will do class 8 social science worksheet number 16 dated 20 November 2020. The topic of today's worksheet is industries and their classification. Make a list of those things which you use in your day-to-day life. यहाँ पे आपको उन चीज़ों की सूची बनानी है जो आप अपने दिनचर्या में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Related to cleanliness, soap, bucket, mug, brush, detergent, broom, ये सभी चीज़ें हम यूज़ करते हैं. Related to food और food preparation, plate, bowl, tumbler, spoon, pan, cup, oil, spatula. Related to studies, pen, book, colors, pencil box, stationery items जैसे कि glue, scale and notebooks. Related to means of communications, bicycle, rickshaw, auto, car, metro, bike, scooty. Any other items जो किसी भी इन कैटेगरी में नहीं आते हैं वो आप any other category में लिख सकते हैं. Like we use television, computers, laptops or our mobile phones. So you can write all these things in the any other category. Next, let's move on to the question given below. Do we get these things in this form from the nature? क्या हमें ये चीजें इसी प्रकार के फॉर्म में नेचर से मिलती हैं? तो जी इसका आंसर है नो. We do not get things in this form from the nature. Question number 2. If not, then how and from where do we get these things? So, we get these things from industries. In reality, industries are related to those economic activities which convert raw material into more valuable products for people. This is also known as manufacturing sector or secondary activities. Industries एक इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है जो कि जो रॉ मटेरियल होता है, जो कच्चा मटेरियल होता है उसको तैयार करती है ज़्यादा वैल्यूएबल प्रोडक्ट में. इसको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर और सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटी भी कहा जाता है. Let's talk about the classification of industries on the basis of raw material. There are 4 types of industries. The first is agro-based industry, which uses plant and animal-based raw materials and gives us manufactured goods like sugar, oil, cotton clothes, flour, paneer, ghee, butter, bag, etc. The second type of industry is a mineral-based industry which uses raw materials like iron, copper, aluminium and other minerals and gives us manufactured goods like iron rods and other valuable equipment from iron, electrical wires, copper utensils, etc. The third type of industry is marine-based industry, which uses products from seas or ocean and gives us manufactured goods like seafood, fish oil, pearls, etc. The fourth type of industry is a forest-based industry which uses products from forest and gives us manufactured goods like paper, honey, pharmaceuticals. Students, now let's do the question answers. The first question says, classify the following industries on the basis of raw materials. Vegetable oil, leather shoes, bread, paper. We get vegetable oil from an agro-based industry. We get leather shoes from an agro-based industry. We get bread also from agro-based industries. Paper is made from forest-based industries. Question number 2. On the basis of raw material, which type of industries would be the salt industry and why? What is industry? What are its advantages? So, the answer to this question is salt industry is a marine based industry because salt is obtained from sea or ocean. सॉल्ट इंडस्ट्री एक मरीन बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री है क्योंकि सॉल्ट हमें सी या फिर ओशन से प्राप्त होता है. Industries are related to those economic activities which convert the raw material into more valuable products for people. Industries वो economic activity है जो raw material को valuable products में convert करती है. The advantages of industries are: first, they help in generating employment. Second, it helps in making the country independent. Third, it converts raw materials into finished goods. Now let's move on to question number 3. Make a list of those substances which you use today and find out which type of industry it would be on the basis of the raw materials. Students, you can use any substances of your choice. We are here taking cotton clothes, which we get from agro-based industry, honey, which we get from forest-based industry, wooden table, which we get from forest-based industry, utensils, which we get from mineral-based industry. Students, please wash your hands with soap and water regularly.
तो बच्चों, ये वर्कशीट यहाँ कंप्लीट होती है. अगर यह वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी तो इसे लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें. अन्य विषयों पर बने हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियोस को देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और देखते रहिए हमारा चैनल नॉलेज किंगडम. थैंक यू.